Hi everyone, it's Maggie and I'm here with a flip through of my latest project, and it's a one signature journal for Tracy Fox's creative design team. And all the links will be put in the description box. So this is the journal, and I've wrapped it with a piece of sari silk, and I thought it went with the cover. So that's that. So here's the front cover, and I kept it on the simpler side. I used a trim going around the perimeter. The fabric journal cover came with this trim here, and then I added another trim behind that, and the fabric cover came from Patty Lang, Sacred Mementos. So this is the back, and I love how colorful it is. And it went with the kits that I used for this journal. I used the Mega Mix and Match and the Compendium 2 kit. So those are the two kits I used. And for the top, I had made this topper, I think, on a live, and it's just some brown, like 110-pound cardstock. There's a piece from one of the kits. I think it's the Compendium 2 kit. Then there's some writing, and then this image, which I believe is Mrs. Cogg's craft. And then there's a piece of a ribbon, a jacquard ribbon, and 3 little flowers that I added little flowery centers to. So that's the cover. And then you open it up, and there's a glassine bag I also did on a live. And this is one of Tracy's images. And I just used some cheesecloth, some fabric and lace, a little doily. And then inside there's some goodies. So let me put that to the side. And here's the first page. I love these background pages of the kit. This is from, I believe, the Mix and Match kit. And then there's so many spots for journaling. There's some journaling cards, a tag. And then the next page has an envelope that I altered, also on a live. And that has some goodies in it. And if you watch my videos, you know I don't show what's inside envelopes and bags. And then there's some coffee dye paper. This is I believe, a coin piece, and I used it as a double pocket. So here's the first pocket, and there's a tag. I used a couple of different tags. Love the fox. And then this goes behind here, and there are more journaling spots. So that goes in the back. Coin envelope, that's what I was trying to think of. I always lose my words when I'm showing something. And then this is just a little collage page. And then this is a piece from 1916, January 15th. And I just love the writing. It's from a court ledger, and it's just beautiful. The writing is amazing. And then there's the other side. This is some coffee dyed paper, and I forget if this, I don't want to say the wrong one. There's a couple of different people that I got this type of paper from. Here's a collage page. that I did added collage to. And then here's a tuck spot. I added these little pieces here. There's more journaling. A little piece of glassine. And then here, I did some more collaging, and then you open it up, and I added, and this is on that same 1916 ledger paper, and I just added 2 little pockets and put some ephemera pieces in there from the Mega Mix and Match kit. More copy paper. Here's another background paper. This I made kind of 3D, and I put her behind the frame. I had cut out the frame, and then I turned this into another pocket, and there's more journaling opportunities there. And actually, this is a pocket behind it too. So I'll put one there and one in here. And then you open this one, and here's the glassine bag that I altered. And this is another one of Tracy's images from another kit, and I can't think of, I forgot to write down the name of the kit. But there's just some muslin and a little piece of an applique, little piece of lace. Here's another piece of lace, some trim to go over the top, and then another trim, and then inside, whoops, there's something in there. And then on this side, here's a tag, and I just did a little like collaging type. And then more copy dyed paper. Here's a larger tuck spot with a large tag to journal in, and I did some more collaging. Here's the middle of the signature. Okay, here's a large pocket, and this opens up so you can journal inside that. I did some collaging on the outside. And then here's the other half of that glassine bag. Here's another pocket. Use some lace and trims. And then here's another tuck spot, and I coordinated it with the background paper. I usually don't do that, but I thought it looked really nice. So I did some collaging on this part, and then you open it up and you have room to do some more journaling. And then here's the other side of that. And here you can do whatever you want. You can add photos. You can do some collaging of your own. So here's another pocket with a tag inside. Here's the other piece of this. I'm not sure. This might be deli paper actually. Okay, here's another pocket with another tag that you open up, and you can write inside of that. Did some more collaging on that. And some more. Here's the other side of that beautiful ledger paper with the handwriting. These papers are just beautiful. And then here's a tuck spot that you open up, and I don't usually do all this, but I thought it was fun when Tracy was showing you what you could do with that Mega Mix and Match kit. So I decided to try my hand at doing some of the things that I don't usually do. And here's some more with a pocket here. There's a pocket behind here with a tag. So there's plenty of spaces for journaling. And then here's the last 2 pages. And then this is the very last page. So that's it. That's my design team project for the month of March. And oh my gosh, I got it in just in time, last day of the month. So if you'd like, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll be back sometime next week with maybe working on something, and it might be a live. I have a doily book that I started that I'd probably like to do some embellishing on, in a craft and chat. So until then, I'm just going to say bye for now.